What is going on, everybody? What is that? I don't know. Who cares? What's good? My name's Mako, and today we got something dope coming at you. But first, I just want to welcome all of my new subscribers to the channel because I'm not sure what is going on lately, but I went from 100 to over 1,000 subscribers in the past few weeks, and it's just mind-blowing to me that you guys have joined me on this journey through filmmaking and photography. So welcome to the channel, everybody. And if you came from the Zcam video, I am working on getting you guys some Zcam content coming very soon, so stick around for that. But I got more to offer than just Zcam content, so if you're interested, I mean, you can stick around and watch this video. But if not, you can just click off and peace out, see you later. But today, we are here to talk about my bedroom studio video that I posted a little while back. And it seems like you guys really enjoyed that video. You like seeing how I kind of transformed my room into a little photo studio. So that is what we are going to talk about today, how one of my now subscribers, it's crazy to say that somebody that has subscribed to my channel took an idea from me and ran with it, and he absolutely killed it. He goes by the name of Joey Alford. Joey, if I'm pronouncing your last name wrong, just roast me in the comments, dude. My bad. But Joey took this idea, he put it into practice in his own apartment where he lives, and he absolutely killed it, man. We're actually gonna watch his video right now to show you guys that you don't need to shoot this in your bedroom. He actually shot this in his kitchen, and he made it work, and he produced some fire photos that came out amazing. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna jump right into his video, so stay tuned.
Yo, what's up? I found this guy on YouTube by the name of Mac-O-Link. Guy makes cool videos all around, but I caught one the other day where he takes these absolute banger pics that look super pro in his bedroom on his nightstand. Cool, right? So I commented that I was going to try the exact same thing, only more bootleg, because, well, I wouldn't be going to Home Depot or anywhere else for supplies like he did. I was just going to use things I found in my apartment. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to take the island in your kitchen and move it out of its proper space onto a white wall, because we need a white wall. So here are the supplies you'll need for the project. Some kind of a wall, a surface for your product to sit on, a light stand, your camera body, a tight lens. I'm using the Sony 50mm 1.8. Your product, for me, that's a pair of Blundstone boots that I've had for forever. And I also use some socks, which I'll talk about a little bit later on. Now, Max got this sweet brick wall, and actually, you know, maybe you should go and check out his video before you continue watching mine. Yeah, you know what? Go take a look right now. I'll wait. You can pause it. And then when you guys come back, I'll be here. Okay, hopefully you saw it. So back to his brick wall. So Mac has this sweet brick wall, which looks really cool as a backdrop. I unfortunately don't have that. So instead, I'm just gonna use a white wall that we have and then my wooden kitchen island as the surface that the boots will sit on. So next I had to wash the boots. They were a little bit dirty. I wear them all the time. And this is the fun part because I had to do it in the kitchen sink, right? Like, you know, small apartment, no laundry tub, yada yada. But the fun part is that this is a good test to see if my girlfriend watches my videos, because if she does, she will not like this part. And now I've just taken my boot and put it outside to dry on the balcony. Okay, now it's time for the actual fun part. You gotta set up your camera. I'm using the Sony a6500 on a tripod, and I'm also using a monitor. Mostly the monitor is for your benefit so you guys can see the screen, but I also just got the monitor and I kind of want to use it. I'm looking for excuses to bring out whatever I can. So I set up my LED light on a stand in as much of a top-down fashion as I could for the most dramatic lighting, basically overhead. I turned off all the lights minus the LED, and then we're just about ready to shoot. So now it's time for the socks. I'm basically just stuffing the socks in the boots to make them more full, especially at the toes. These ones I have here, I've worn them for like months, and they're kind of wrinkly by the toe, so if I put the socks in there, it makes it a little bit more full. I don't know if that's the right word. So I want the boot to stand up, especially by the heel, so from the front view over here, it will look nice. So I'm just gonna put this like drain plug thing to give it a little bit of elevation, and then we'll take a look at the camera and see what it looks like. So I feel like this looks pretty good. I basically have my camera back to like here. As you can see, that looks fine, but that looks way better. And now it's time to shoot. I'm from the east side of America, where we choose pride over character, and we pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. So I don't think my pictures turned out quite as good as Max did, because, I mean, His were pretty dope. But you guys can let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram. You will see more behind the scenes stuff there. What else do I have to say? If you enjoyed this video, I was about to say give it a like, but instead of that, you should definitely check out Mac's channel. Without him, I would not have had the inspiration to do this, and you guys wouldn't be watching this right now. So thank him, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope to catch you guys in the comments. Hope to see you in the next one. Take it easy. That's a wrap.
So as you guys can see, my man Joey absolutely killed this. He took these tips and he applied them to what works with him in his home, and he created some absolute banger photos, man. Joey, you're an absolute G. You killed it, dude. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, but most importantly, I hope you actually learned something from this video. I hope by seeing what Joey did motivates and inspires you guys to go out and try this and get creative wherever you live. You never know where shooting photos in your bedroom or your kitchen or your bathroom is gonna lead to down the line. You never know what brands are gonna see your photos and want to work with you. So get creative, shoot some photos, have fun with it. And both myself and Joey would love to see what you guys are coming up with for your at-home DIY studio. So make sure you follow us on Instagram, tag us, show us what you guys are coming up with, post it on YouTube, send it to us, whatever you guys want to do. Drop a comment, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, maybe you'll get some, maybe you won't, I don't know, but I'm out. I'll see you guys later.